UTech. How to make a fire alarm system. Let's see what components you need. First of all, you need an Arduino Uno. And a breadboard. A few wires. A flame sensor module. A buzzer, a red LED, a green LED. LCD with integrated module. A speaker and a transistor. USB cable for connecting the laptop and the Arduino. And the most important element, a lighter for testing the system. The circuit should look like this. Upload the code to Arduino.
Attention please, fire has been reported in the building.
And now, let's see a real-world situation.
Attention please, fire has been reported in the building. Attention please, fire has been reported in the building.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe and check other videos.